Welcome back to the Friday quiz. This is week 2. Going to ask a series of questions, 8 of them, which will all of them in some way help prepare us for this week's Bible studies. And as we did last week, there will be a Wednesday recap, which I will put on YouTube as well, and I'll gather them together. I've discovered something called playlists. So I shall use that feature. Okay, here we go. Question 1, only connect. What connects the church and the Garden of Eden? What connects the church and the Garden of Eden? Question 2, which king connects pomegranates with the Garden of Eden and with the church? Which king connects pomegranates with the Garden of Eden and with the church? Question 3. Describe or draw a dugong. Describe or draw a dugong. Question 4, trivia question. Which brand of sherry was once advertised with the byline, "One instinctively knows when something is right"? Which brand of sherry was once advertised with the byline, "One instinctively knows when something is right"? I asked that question merely to ask question 5, does one? Really? On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you that you would instinctively know when something is right? On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident would you be that you would instinctively know when something is right? Which leads on to question 6. How? What instinct are you relying on? How do you know instinctively when something is right? Question 7. To what extent do you think the content of worship is a matter of taste? To what extent do you believe that the content of worship should be a matter of taste? And question 8, this is the last question today. Whose taste are we talking about? Whose taste are we talking about there? Well, that completes the Friday quiz. If you'd like details of how you can join in with the Bible studies this week, then contact me on the email address below. And otherwise, see you for the Wednesday recap.